hamster to drive a truck is a massive challenge because not every hamster has the right mentality or physical ability for it. So we've had to audition lots of hamsters and put them through some physical trials to see how they get on, make sure they've got the right aptitude for it.
First time we had a hamster driving a truck, so we didn't know really from beginning if it would work or not.
He demonstrated that he has the best strength and confidence and aptitude to learning and new ideas, and he's very food oriented, very important. So he's very willing to learn to follow the target, which is a carrot.
Different drivers, they have different opinions on how light the steering wheel should be. So we made a special setting for Charlie so that he feels comfortable with driving the truck.
He's become very brave. We've been training for over 3-4 weeks for this. Good luck! Oh, and don't forget this, very important.
3, 2, 1, go!
If he gets bored of the carrot or doesn't want to listen to Sean's directions, he could just go whichever direction he wants. So keeping him really focused is definitely going to be the biggest challenge.
The hamster can really steer the truck, so it's quite amazing. You wouldn't think it would be possible, but I assure you, it really is possible.
It's been good, so we're looking forward to maybe some more road trips, me and Charlie.